Check the time, look at the streets. Lefatshe duba. But we stay woke, we stay on the grind. Areyeng, let's go. Lefatshe imela, le chiquinha. Mere te pa, mere secure le para.
But we stand firm, secure.
Lefatshe fetoga, kgona. Stay true to your day ones. Oh, say get what time out. Don't lose your spot. Lefatshe imela, la chiquinha. Mere te pa, mere secure le para.
We stand firm, secure.
Lefatshe fetoga, kgona. Stay true to your day ones. Oh, say get what time out. The pressure is real, high stakes on the screen. Everybody flexing, selling a dream. They'll tell you the world has changed, chasing the clout, but losing your peace. Don't trade your soul for a 24-hour trend. Fame is a ghost, but character wins in the end. Build up your future, don't sleep on your talent. Keep the focus straight, keep the life balanced.
But we stand firm, secure.
Stay true to your day ones. Oh, say get what time out. Respect to the grootmans, but we forge our own way. No shortcut to greatness. Look, Kasi is brave. Madi Abo Fefo can trap you in the dark. Work hard in silence, let your hustle leave a mark. The talent of if you will ghost when it's tough, but the focus mind and real chummies are enough. We lifting up people, we building the ground. No fake vibes allowed. We level in the ground. We are pusher, we push, we are kgona, we make it. Hustle smart, secure the crown straight. We are pusher, we are kgona, they can shake the boy, but we standing straight. Lefatshe. Keep your eyes on the prize. He told me, no time out. Secure the vision. Lefatshe le chiquinha. Mere te pa mi.